Put Coca-Cola in avocado, you will never suffer again. To start, we will need an avocado. It is important that it is not too ripe. Let's cut it in half. For this recipe, we will only use the avocado seed. Most people don't realize what this simple seed is capable of doing. You will be impressed when you discover it. Now I'm going to wash it and remove the peel around the seed, and I'll be right back to show you the power of the avocado pit. Now with the help of a knife we are going to cut the avocado seed into smaller pieces. Friends, this step is super simple because the avocado seed, although it may not seem like it, is super soft. Did you know that almost 80% of the world's population throws it away? But I'll explain why the other 20% doesn't go into the trash. After cutting, it is normal for the avocado pit to change color. Now we're also going to need a spray bottle. And we're going to put it all here. These two ingredients are a powerful home remedy that you should have at home. It's also great for your elbows. That it hurts a lot when we move daily or lift weight. I also use it on my heel. We put everything here, and now we will need 300 milliliters of Coca-Cola. I bet you didn't know that. But Coca-Cola in its beginnings was not the drink we know today. She was crafted like a medicine. To cure headaches, stomach aches, and even body aches. Made from coca and avocado seed. But the most important thing of all is that when we mix it with the avocado pit, we increase its benefits even more. This is a great home remedy, and you need to do it at home. After adding the Coca-Cola with the avocado seed, we will let it rest for about 24 hours, preferably in places with little light. After 24 hours, we can use it. We are also going to apply it where you feel pain. And we'll leave it all night. It is antioxidant and anti-inflammatory and also helps with pain in your joints, in your body, in your back, in your legs, elbows, neck and knees. If you have a lot of pain in your legs or know people who have a lot of pain, you need to take this medicine. It is very simple and easy. Only with these two ingredients. If you didn't know, do it at home. And this is also great if you have knee joint pain. Let me know if you knew about this medicinal use of the avocado seed and Coca-Cola.